So, ma'am, most of the Arula super mom are working moms, and they are getting amazing results working on their child.
Yeah, that is the beauty of Arula. Or I will always say कि more than 80% Arula super moms are working moms, because Arula is structured in such a way that there is no compulsion on the mothers to take and sit with the child for hours long. See, unlike in therapy centers, what we see, 1 घंटे का session, 2 घंटे का session, आधे घंटे का session, at a stretch, they see therapists working with the child, with their child. वो देख के ही mothers डर जाती है. आधा घंटा बैठने का, 1 घंटा लेकर बैठने का, चाइल्ड इज नॉट कोऑपरेटिंग एंड द स्ट्रगल इज गोइंग ऑन. ओके, उसको बिठाने में, उसका टॉलरेंस पे वर्क करने में, अटेंशन पे, सो दैट एंटायर केओस गेट्स क्रिएटेड. And even if child sits for little longer also, no child will like to sit for a longer time, because every child has got his or her own threshold. And here the secret recipe of Arula lies. We always say that always mothers have to judge their child's tolerance level. Means my child easily can sit for 30 seconds. This is what is one mother's observation. Another mother say कि my child is sitting for 2-3 minutes at a stretch. He is doing, he can do that. He is enjoying the activities, Arula activities. So always see the threshold of the child. But always relieve the child before his or her threshold is getting hit. बट अगर 30 सेकंड्स में उसको बोर्डम आने वाला है, उसको कंटाला आने वाला है, उसका अटेंशन यहाँ वहाँ फ्लिकर होने वाला है, तो उसके पहले ही उसको रिलीव कर दो बच्चे को. सो ऑलवेज आई से कि इन अरूला मदर चाइल्ड सेशन, फादर चाइल्ड सेशन, नानी एंड ग्रैंडसन सेशन, दे डोंट एक्सीड 2 to 3 minutes at a stretch. And like this 2 to 2 minutes, we have to give little more spurts to the child. Repetitions should be done. Relieve for 10 minutes, let him enjoy, then again call. Once you relieve the child before his threshold is reached, there is an urge gets created in the child. Okay, urge gets created in the child to get connected with the mother again and again. Because he knows that mama is not going to push me hard. She is not going to, trouble me, or she is not going to stretch my patience. He knows that. The child understands that. And this is the beauty. That's why working moms, they enjoy, because hardly a working mom gets 2 to 3 hours with her child. There are moms who are getting only weekends, to be honest. Only weekends, Saturday, Sunday. रोज का तो 1-8 घंटा भी नहीं जमता है. और ये मतलब they are so busy. They are doctors, they are lawyers, they are advocates, they are bankers, they are teachers. Lot of professional mothers are there with us. So then this is a very important technique that we apply that helps them, and it is not exhausting for mother also. Taking a child for 1 minute or 2 minutes is not exhausting.
Yes.
But if you ask the mother, sit with the child for 1 hour, it is going to be difficult. So this is the way it is done. That's why it's more concrete and more enjoyed and appreciated by working moms.
Yes.